If you're experiencing some of these hair issues that I'm going to be listing now, then this substance you're seeing right here in the bottle might just be the answer to your prayer. Are you experiencing scanty hair? Is your hair feeling so scanty? Are you experiencing lots of breakage, like constant breakage? Are you experiencing slow growth? Your hair is not growing, is stuck to one particular length, then this video right here is for you, because on today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make this very simple but powerful spray using just 2 herbs that will help strengthen your hair, thicken up your hair, and promote very long healthy growth. So you want to watch this video all through till the end, because I will show you how to make it, and I will also be showing you how you can use it to get maximum results. So this right here is hibiscus flower. This is a dry one. If you have access to the fresh one too, you can use it. So hibiscus is known as the flower of hair care. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamins that coat each strand, making it smoother, thicker, and less likely to break. So now let's just imagine hibiscus as a gentle blanket that wraps around your strand. So it will help make each strand to feel thicker and more stronger. And by your strands being thicker and stronger, it will make your hair fuller. So it's just almost like adding layers of strength around your hair. So for the preparation, we'll just be needing a few number of these hibiscus. I tried measuring just a tablespoon, and I ended up adding like 10 pieces of this hibiscus. So if you're using the one in powdery form, just measure a tablespoon. So if you're aiming towards achieving a very thicker and fuller hair, hibiscus is that one herb that will help thicken your hair over time, making your strands fuller and denser. The next thing we have right here are cloves. These particular herbs, they might be tiny, but do not allow their sizes to fool you. They are packed with vitamins and minerals that stimulate blood flow to your scalp. So when your scalp has better circulation, your follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients, which encourages faster and stronger hair growth. Cloves also help fight dandruff and scalp irritations, which are common reasons why your hair might stop growing or why your hair have stopped growing. So for the measurement also, we're going to be measuring just half tablespoon. Cloves are so powerful, so we want to go in with just half tablespoon of it. Combine the ingredients together, and the next thing you'll be adding is some hot water. After that, you're going to be covering this up and allow it sit for about 8 hours. Yes, about 8 hours, or you can leave it even overnight so that the ingredients can infuse properly into this hot water. Okay, into the water rather, because of course the hot water is going to get cold. So even after the hot water gets cold, you're going to be leaving this to sit for at least 8 hours, or you can allow it to even sit longer, like 12 hours, so that the whole benefit, so that the whole nutrients of these herbs can infuse properly into this water. Well, another way you can also do it is to just go ahead and boil this. You boil it for about 15 minutes. If you don't have the time to wait to soak it and allow it sit for some times, like that 8 hours, so you can just boil this, bring this to boil in a pot, allow it to boil for like 15 minutes, then you keep it to cool down. After cooling down, you can proceed with the next step. But if you have that time, you can just pour in hot water and allow it sit for 8 to 12 hours. So after a few hours, this is what your spray should be looking like. It's looking so colorful, right? I just like the beauty, the color that hibiscus adds to my spray. So you're going to be straining this into a clean bowl to remove all the leftover herbs. So just in case you've not given this video a thumbs up and you've watched up to this point, please just do all to click on the like button, give this video a thumbs up Subscribe to this channel if you're new, here, or if you're coming across my channel for the first time, or you've been to my channel before but you've not subscribed. Please do well also to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. So after straining, this is what we have. We'll just go ahead and pour this into our clean spray bottle. With consistency, this simple spray can make a very huge difference on your hair. Your hair is going to grow not just longer but thicker and fuller. After pouring it in, we'll just add some drops of our glycerin and our hair oil. I'm adding olive oil. I get so many questions about if you can use olive oil. Yes, you can use olive oil on your hairspray. So I added in some glycerin and I added some drops of olive oil. If you have essential oils like peppermint, for that tingling sensation, you can add some drops of peppermint or any other essential oil. After that, you go ahead and shake this, give this a good mix. Now let's talk about how to apply this spray for maximum results. Before every use, you want to shake this bottle gently, or anything that you be putting your spray into. You want to shake it gently before each use. Then you want to go ahead and spray this directly into your scalp, making sure it covers every area of your hair, your crown, your edges, or anywhere that you know you're experiencing thinning hair. After spraying, go ahead and massage your scalp for like 2 to 3 minutes. This will not only help the spray to penetrate into your strands, but it will also help blood circulation, which will encourage thicker growth. This is a leave-in spray, remember, so you don't need to rinse it out. You can use this 2 to 3 times in a week, and you make sure to store this in a fridge since it's all natural. So if this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who is on their hair growth journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural hair remedies. See you on my next video, guys. For now, bye.